It's been a hard day's night. I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night. Should be sleeping like a log. So when I get on here, I want a thing to do. You know I feel alright. You know I work all day. You get some money to buy your things, and it's worth it just to hear you say you're gonna give me everything. So when I walk in your home, cause when I get you along, you know I feel alright. When I'm home, everything seems to be alright. You know, Palma? When I'm home, feeling you holding me tight, tight. It's been a hard day's night, louder, and I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day's night. I should be sleeping like a log. So when I get on to you, I wanna take it with you. You know I feel alright. La Palma. Bravo. Oh yeah. I'll tell you something. I think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Oh please, say to me and let me be your man. Oh please, say to me and let me hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. And when I touch you, I feel happy inside. There's such a feeling of my love. I can hide, I can hide, I can hide. Preparándose las manos. Palma. Bravo. Taking me into hell. Got a good reason for taking me into hell. She was the edge of one way ticket here. You took me so long to find out, not find out. Woo! Get a huddle. She's a big teaser. She took me out the way up. She's a big teaser. She took me out the way up. She was a bad to buy. One way ticket, yeah. She took me so long to find out, not find out. Woo! And I'm in love, love, and I'm in love. I'll buy you a diamond ring, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. Make you do anything, my friend, if it makes you feel alright. 'Cause I don't care too much for money, money and money love. I'll give you all I've got to give if you say you want me to. I may not have a lot to give, what I got I'll give to you. 'Cause I don't care too much for money, money and money love, and money love. Everybody does me so, and money love. Oh no, 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 no. Say you need no diamond ring, and I'll be satisfied. Tell me that's one the kind of fate, but money does stand by. 'Cause I don't care too much for money, money and money love. Woo! Ayuda la palma. ¡Bravo! Miren lo que están bailando. ¡Bravo! Money love, love, and money love. Oh. simply singing. The sun was going down, there was music all around, it felt so right. It was one of those nights when you feel there was some turning. You were saying, yeah, there was music in the air. I should have been away, but I knew I had to say, hold on, you lost me too long. Woo! Just let it out, alright. You lost me too long. Just let it down. All I really want tonight to last forever. I really wanna be with you. Let the music play on down the line tonight. Woo, 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 woo. Alright. It was one of those nights when you feel the fire is burning. Everybody was there, everybody was sure it felt so right. There you were on your own, looking like you were the only one around. I had to be with you, nothing else that I could do. I should have been away, but I knew I had to stay. La Palma, that's it to love. Woo, woo, woo. Just let it out. That's it to love. Check it out. Just let it down. But I really want tonight to last forever. I really wanna be with you. Let the music play on down the line tonight. Ahora sí, pueden bailar el twist allá en el fondo. Hey, what's ready when you want? Some morning you don't look right. If you wanna tell me what to be on the well, I want to know if you're hanging around. So honeycomb, 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 oh, honeycomb, a little honeycomb. I say you will when you want, yeah, honeycomb. Woo! Say you're coming down. Sunday morning you don't look right. If you wanna tell me what we're doing as well, I want to know if you're hanging around. So honeycomb, 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 a little honeycomb. Say you will when you want, honeycomb. Suba las manos, a ver la palma. ¡Bravo! Como las mejores fiestas con los astronauts. ¿Verdad, Susi? Julio. ¡Woo! Estamos celebrando esta noche fantástica. Celebration se llama esta canción. El coro lo van a hacer ustedes. ¿Se animan? ¿Sí o no? Escuchen cómo viene el coro y luego ustedes. ¡Palma! Celebrate now. Muy bien, aquellos. Yahoo! Celebrate now. Celebrate good times, come on. Celebrate good times, come on. Ahora. Celebrate good times, come on. Bravo. There's a party going on right here. A celebration to love the world here. To bring you good times and your laughter too. We're gonna celebrate and party with you. Come on now. Celebration. We're gonna celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We're gonna celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. Live your pleasure. Everyone around the world, come on, Palma. Bravo, Yahoo! Celebrate now. Check it out, Yahoo! Celebrate now. Celebrate good times, come on. Sing it, hermano. Check it out. Celebrate good times, come on. to celebrate. Y tomamos el último frenador de la vuelta. Mirando las manos. Mirando las manos. Bravo. El Harrow. Check it out. Bravo. But I really want the night to last forever. I really wanna be with you. Let the music play on down the night tonight. Woo, 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 woo. I really want the night to last forever. I really wanna be with you. Let the music play on down the night tonight. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, woo. Check it out. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Esta canción, que le pertenece a Valencia, por supuesto, estaba escrita en una tarjeta de Navidad que yo le había regalado a Valencia en algunas Navidades pasadas. Pasadas esas Navidades, Valencia me dice, pero esto que me escribiste acá en esta tarjeta parece una canción. ¿Por qué no le pones música? Y surge entonces el color de universo de los Aftermath. ¿Conocen la canción? ¿Sí o no? Pero para que esta canción tenga la fuerza necesaria, yo necesito que vuelen estrellas sobre sus cabezas. Quiero que enciendan todas las linternas de sus celulares. Ahora mismo. Esto se está transmitiendo en vivo y en directo para la BBC de Londres. Sí, señor. El homenaje a Herky Daniel. Necesito que enciendan las linternas de sus celulares. Todos los celulares. Si no veo las linternas no puedo cantar. No traigan mi celular en mentira. Allá lejos, allá tengo. Se suman las estrellas, una vía láctea flotando sobre su cabeza. ¡Qué maravilla! Miren lo que es esto. Así que lo veo en tu celular, se corre. Las linternas de sus celulares. Allá atrás, miren lo que es eso. Caramba, las estrellas, la vía láctea. Maravilla. Ya está, chacho. Fantástico. Y esto comienza así. Ustedes si conocen los versos de la canción, canten conmigo. Se mueven las estrellas. Se mueven las estrellas. Louder, louder. Yo soy color de universo. Y eran tus caricias recorriendo mi almohada. Y eran sol resbalando en tu techo y bebé en tu cuerpo todos mis deseos. Soy un mundo de verduras y caricias y alargué mi brazo hasta tocar tu pelo tan celoso al no batir que tu tiempo se hizo mío y tu canto también el coro usted y te amé andar hecho de melodía y tu mirar hecho de fantasía sin te amé como canadienses, amor, linda estrella, mi amor, sumergirse en tu prosperidad, antes el alma que te dio tu vida, que poco a poco se morirá, cuando lo dejabas sin tu compañía, es porque tu luz, un nuevo día, y soy yo, con el hechizo y el calor que me envolvía, y al sentir que tus manos eran tibias en mi piel, descubrí que eras mi sueño, mi mujer. Que fue una estrella, y una estrella La tomé en mis manos y colgó mi herida. La arrugué en mi pecho. Y ahora esa estrella se quedó dormida en el coro. A ver si recuerdan. Y te amé.
Y te adoré, amé tu amor, andar hecho de melodía y mirar hecho de fantasía.
Sí, te amé y te adoré, amé tu andar hecho de melodía y tu mirar hecho de fantasía. Sí, te amé y te adoré, amé tu andar hecho de melodía y tu mirar hecho de fantasía. Sí, te amé, como tú cantaron antes. Amén. Day and day before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, in that faithful old my time. I know, when it's over, so they say, will the circle thousand slow.